Robots are everywhere in factories, hospitals, homes, and even inside the phone in your pocket. But how did we go from simple mechanical machines to robots that can walk, talk, learn, and even look just like us? Today, we're going to explore the incredible evolution of robots, from the first gears and levers all the way to the rise of AI-driven humanoid companions. If you love futuristic tech explained simply, make sure to subscribe before we continue. Most people think robots are a modern invention, but the idea of mechanical helpers goes back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations in Greece and China built automatic water clocks and incredible mechanical statues that moved on their own. Later, in the Middle Ages, brilliant engineers in the Islamic Golden Age and Renaissance Europe created what they called automatons, self-moving machines, designed to amaze kings and emperors. These weren't smart in the way we think of robots today. They were masterpieces of clockwork and gears, but they were the very first step toward real robotics. They planted the seed of an idea that machines could one day do the work of humans. The real evolution of robotics, however, ignited during the Industrial Revolution. This era wasn't just about steam and steel, it was about automation. Machines began to take over dangerous, repetitive, and difficult jobs. We saw the rise of steam-powered engines that could do the work of hundreds of men, automatic looms that could weave fabric faster than any human, and the first mechanical arms used in early factory automation. Then, in 1920, the Czech writer Karel Čapek introduced the word robot to the world in his play. The word came from the Czech robota, which means forced labor. And that's exactly what these early robots were, mindless machines that simply repeated motions over and over again. They had no brain, no senses, no ability to think. But by changing how we make things, they changed the world forever. After World War II, the pace of innovation accelerated dramatically. This was the birth of modern robotics. The breakthrough moment came in 1954 when George Devol created the Humanoid, the world's first programmable industrial robot. This wasn't just a machine that repeated one action. You could teach it a sequence of new movements. General Motors bought the first Humanoid in 1961 and put it to work on an assembly line. It was a game. Suddenly, robots became the backbone of modern manufacturing, especially in the automotive industry. They could weld, assemble car bodies, paint with precision, and lift heavy objects tirelessly 24 hours a day, without ever getting tired or needing a break. This era introduced the powerful idea of human-robot collaboration, where people and machines worked side by side to build the modern world. But these robots were still fundamentally limited. They were blind, they were deaf, and they were still unintelligent, just following their programming no matter what. That, however, was about to change. The next leap forward came with the rise of personal computers and microelectronics in the 1980s and 90s. For the first time, robots began to gain senses. Engineers started equipping them with sensors, cameras for basic vision, and simple microprocessors that acted as a primitive brain. Now, robots could finally see the world around them. They could detect obstacles and move around a room without hitting everything in sight. This new ability unlocked a whole new world of applications. We saw the first mobile robots in warehouses, moving goods from one place to another. More advanced robotic arms in factories could now pick and place items with greater accuracy. This technology even made its way into our homes with the first robotic vacuum cleaners. And in the medical field, incredibly precise surgical machines like the Da Vinci system emerged, allowing doctors to perform complex operations with robotic assistance. Robots were no longer just mindless tools. They were becoming active helpers. Then, at the turn of the millennium, everything changed again. Robots became truly intelligent when artificial intelligence finally entered the picture. Combining advanced sensors with powerful AI algorithms created a new breed of robot. This is the era that gave us self-driving cars that can see and react to traffic, massive fleets of autonomous robots running Amazon warehouses, and delivery drones navigating city skies. Thus the era of Boston Dynamics, incredible walking and running robots that can keep their balance on any terrain. It's the era of conversational assistants like Siri and Alexa, and the first generation of smart home robots. With AI, robots could now recognize specific objects, understand human speech, and most importantly, learn from experience. They weren't just following instructions anymore, they were becoming Today, we are entering an exciting new age, the age of the humanoid robot. Companies around the world like Tesla, Figure AI, Agility Robotics, and Xiaomi are in a race to build robots that look and move like us. These advanced humanoids can walk on two legs, balance themselves, and manipulate objects with human-like dexterity. They can speak, listen, and learn new tasks just by watching us. The goal is to create general-purpose robots that can assist us in our homes, work alongside us in factories and warehouses, and adapt to any human environment. What's powering them? The same advanced large language models and AI systems that power tools like ChatGPT, giving them the ability to reason, plan, and interact with the world in a way we've only ever seen in science fiction. We're witnessing the birth of robotic companions to machines designed to live, work, and interact with us on a daily basis. So, what comes next? Where does this incredible journey lead? The future of robotics is likely to be even more integrated into our lives. Imagine robots in your kitchen that can cook and clean for you. Imagine compassionate robotic companions designed to provide elderly care and help people live independently for longer. We could have robot teachers and tutors that provide personalized education for every student. Fully autonomous delivery and transportation systems will become the norm. AI-driven construction robots will build our cities faster and more safely. In almost every workplace, we'll see human-robot teams working together to achieve more than ever before. And eventually, this path leads to robots with distinct personalities, with emotions, and with memories true companions. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's just the logical next step in this amazing evolution. Robots started as simple machines designed for labor, but today, they are rapidly evolving into intelligent partners that are shaping the future of our work, our homes, and our entire society. If you enjoyed this journey through the evolution of robotics, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications for more simple educational tech videos just like this one. The future is arriving fast, don't miss it.